Hi guys, Ian at Spray Makes Sense. I'm here today with TIBO. TIBO's from Euromair, and he's going to give us a bit of an idea of who and what Euromair is.
Okay, hello, how are you? So Euromair is a 25 years old company. Basically we are a family owned business that started 25 years ago with 2 people. Today we are around 70 people working for this company, growing around at a rate of 20% export-wise in around 30-40 countries in the world. We are present in many different continents, so North America, Europe, we are in Middle East, Asia, so a lot of different places.
If you guys can't figure it out yet, okay, TIBO's accent is from
France.
There you go.
Yeah.
So Euromair
basically, thank you for this one. Based in France. So basically we are a company run by the innovation. We are a high quality brand, really a premium brand, and what we try to do is to bring new things in the market. So we have, thanks to that, probably one of the biggest range in the market, with machine going from spraying renders, mortars, to paint. So it gives us a lot of knowledge and know-how, and we handle everything. It means that every machine that goes out of our shop is all made in France. Everything on it is made by us.
You were talking about innovation. Okay, innovation was the fact that you reached out to me probably about 18 months ago.
Yeah.
And you said, look, we've got this small machine that we think might be really good for the decorative market. It's got a built-in hopper, it's very small. I said, that's cool, but for it to work in the UK, within a construction element and even a decorational element, it has to be 110.
Exactly.
So what you did was, right, okay, fine, took it away, went to R&D department, they did what they needed to do their side, you brought it over, it's got a 110 5 kV plug on it. We just got the cable set up, we got the 5 kV box set up, plugged it in, and we were away.
Exactly.
So this machine and all the other machines that you're bringing to the UK are 110. So that in itself is absolutely fantastic. Right. Euromair UK, okay? TIBO is the face of Euromair in the UK. Actually done quite a good job, he's a good looking chap.
Thank you.
So that's pretty cool. So it's easier to buy from. You've been very busy over the past, how long have you been in the UK?
So basically I started to work at Euromair around 3.5 years ago. So I developed, of course, the UK, but also UK Ireland, but also I'm taking care of Africa, Switzerland, I mean many different countries. And to be in different parts like this, different countries, teach you a lot, because there are so many different ways to apply different machines in different countries, and that's the way you learn. It's not the same to work in Africa than to work in the UK or in Europe. So it's the way I've learned and get experience over the years with the machine and the different application and the product, of course, which are totally different from a market to another. So here in the UK, we've been developing the market since 3 years. We were more into render.
External renders.
Before, and now we are getting more and more into plaster and paint. So that's the idea, is like to make our market grow, not just with distributors over the UK, but also in terms of range. As I said before, we are innovative. So our range is so big that we have many ways to offer solutions to all you guys.
If I wanted to get hold of one of these, you've got quite a wide range of stockists now in the UK. Yeah. We've got a link below, so if you actually want to have a look at these, then obviously just have a look at the link. If you want to get in touch with you, the details as well are below. So if you are a stockist or you do plaster and you're interested in obviously adding to your range, reach out to TIBO, okay? He'll come and see you and put this in front of you and see what you think.